When you're ready for a more challenging side plank, I have two variations you can try. The first one is a little easier, and it's going to start on your side. Feet are stacked, knees, hips on top of each other. Your arm is firmly planted into the ground, pushing away, so you're creating that space between shoulder and ear, so you're not down here, you're pushing away. Then you're going to take the top leg, put it out in front of you, and you'll have to play with the footing, the placement, to see what's comfortable for you. But your hips should be stacked, so they shouldn't be coming this way, and you shouldn't be leaning back. It should be nice and stacked, so wherever that is for you. And this is going to create a nice wide base of support for us to when we come up. From here, you're going to raise your hips, and now I'm in a straight line from head to toe. Okay, and then the next variation is the full side plank. So same thing, only now our legs are going to stay stacked on top of each other. From here, you're going to push away, lift up, hips are stacked, straight line. And if you're feeling spicy, you can take an arm up. And if you're feeling really spicy, take a leg up. But some days, you're just feeling here. And other days, you might not even feel like doing the full side plank. So check out some of the modified side planks and pick one that works for you. The important thing is that you do it.